Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the range breakout indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator is designed to mark key range highs and lows on your chart and highlight when price breaks beyond those boundaries, helping you visually track potential breakout conditions. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Okay, just go back. Alright, there we have it. So you can see the range breakout indicator plots horizontal lines or a box on the chart to show the upper and lower limits of a defined price range over a selected time window. As new candles form, the indicator keeps these boundaries visible so you can clearly see when price is consolidating between support and resistance within that range. When price closes beyond the upper or lower boundary, the chart visually emphasizes the breakout area, often through highlighted candles, arrows, or color changes, implying a shift from range-bound behavior to a potential trending move. These visuals make it easier to see which session range or custom period price has escaped from, and where breakout levels sit relative to current action. As for the settings, our key settings here is the KL period, core settings, and this includes the time window used to define the range, such as specific session hours or custom start and end times for the high-low calculation. Alright, you can also choose your preferred colors, and you can trade your preferred time frames as well. So who's this indicator for? This indicator is aimed at traders who like to focus on breakout opportunities from defined ranges, such as London or New York session breakouts, or custom time boxed ranges. It is a visual and alerting tool only. It does not execute trades, and breakouts should be confirmed with additional analysis such as volume, momentum indicators, or broader trend direction. In low volatility or choppy environments, the market can produce false breakouts or quick reversals beyond the range, so relying solely on the indicator without context can lead to misleading signals. The download links are in the description below. You can read more about the range breakout indicator and other breakout tools at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.